Amazing weather today in Gurgaon, so I thought of shooting this video outdoors. Enjoy the birds chirping as well. Hi there, these are the newly launched OnePlus Buds Pro, and I've been using them for a couple of weeks. It's packed with features and I shall be reviewing it in detail very soon. But right now I want to quickly talk about its noise cancellation, which is one of the most important things we look for in premium earphones. And what better way to test that than on a flight? Well, recently I got a chance to do that as well, so I thought of sharing my experience. Let's begin. So firstly, you need to know that these come with adaptive noise cancellation, which basically means it can control the intensity of the noise cancellation depending on the amount of noise around you. Like when I'm on the flight, I turn on the noise cancellation from the app, it shows medium, and then it quickly changes to max. Now this is a really smart feature which also helps save battery life. It supports noise cancellation up to 45 decibels, which is considered extremely good and is at par or better than compared to Sony earbuds or even the Apple AirPods Pro 2. Now, coming to the experience. Well, it cancels out all the white noise on the flight, like even the engine sound is almost muted by 85 to 90%. In fact, even the in-flight announcements go completely mute, which might be tricky, but then it depends on if you really want to listen to the pilot giving you unnecessary info like the flight altitude or the speed. I don't want to digress from the topic, but how is that information important for passengers? Anyway, the good thing is you can turn on transparency mode, which basically enhances the ambient sound so you can hear the announcements and all the passive sound around you. But I won't recommend turning that on a flight because it also drastically increases the engine sound. Coming back to noise cancellation, well, my ears didn't feel any pressure, which means no headaches. And that's something I have experienced so often with many noise cancellation earphones in the past. It doesn't happen here because of that adaptive noise cancellation. It doesn't create that vacuum effect. The best part is when you wear these and turn on noise cancellation, it becomes so quiet. It feels like you've separated yourself from the world. Just enjoy bright, crisp and clean audio. By the way, even if you're not listening to music, you can put these on, turn on noise cancellation and take a nap on the flight. They're also extremely comfortable, so you can easily do that. Bottom line, if you're looking for good noise cancellation earbuds for your flight, then you should definitely check these one out. They cost half of what the competition does. Priced at just $11,999 and you can buy it from Amazon.in. It's available in 3 colors. There's black, there's green and there's white as well. Grab it right away. And just to give you a gist of the features, it comes with dual pairing, spatial audio with head tracking, app support, equalizer support, Zen mode and of course adaptive noise cancellation and transparency mode. Trust me, you don't want to miss the full review, so make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Meanwhile, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.